Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see that how we can integrate LVM with Hadoop cluster so that we provide elasticity to our data node. And now we want to do the same thing by using a Python script so that we can automate all these things. So whenever we want to increase or decrease the size of our data node, so we have to just give the size of our data node and it will automatically configure with the Python script. So let's see how we can do it. So go to the settings of this VM and go to the storage. So I am removing this storage and now I want to add a new hard disk to this VM. So for that we have to do the same process which we have done earlier. And again I am going to give 100 GB. So here is our hard disk. So click on this and then click on choose. Then click on OK and then restart this VM. So until our VM is starting, let me show you the Python script. So this is my Python script which I am going to run. So I have made 3 functions and typed all the commands which we have just run manually. So we don't have to type those commands again and again. And after that I put all this into a loop. So until our requirement is not completed, it will ask again and again. And if we want to stop, then we have to press 4. So now let's copy this file to our data node. And to copying this file, we have to first know the IP of our data node. And for finding the IP of this machine, go to the terminal and type the command ifconfig. So my IP is 109. And to copy the Python script, type a command sap, then name of the file, then user, and then give the IP. In my case it is 192.168.99.109 and then give the path and press enter. Then give the password. And it will copy our file to this system. And in your case, if this command is failed, then go to our data node and then first stop the firewall and then again type this command. Let's see that file is coming or not. So here we can see that our file is present and now we have to run this file. And for running it, type python and then name of your file and then press enter. So before running this file, we have to first know the path of our attached hard disk. So for that, type command fdisk-l and here, so again the path of our hard disk is dev/hdb. Now let's run the Python code. So first we have to configure the data node. For that, press 1, then name of the disk. So in my case it is hdb and press enter. So it says that physical volume created successfully, logical volume groups created successfully. Now it's asked for the size of the data node. So now I want to give 60 GB and then press enter. So now our data node is configured successfully, and to check it, go to the web browser and refresh this page. So here we can see that it is contributed around 58.81 GB. Means around 60 GB of storage is contributed our data node. We can also check it through our master node. So just go to our master node and here just type the command hadoop dfs admin -report. So here we can also see the same result. And now if we want to increase or decrease the size of our data node, it becomes too easy. So for that, let's suppose I want to decrease the size of our data node. So press 3. So it will ask for the present size. So my present size is around 60 GB. So enter 60 GB and then it will ask that after reducing the disk, means after reducing the size of the data node, what will be the size you want? So I want to contribute 40 GB of storage after reducing the disk of the size. So enter 40 and then press enter. So again this command will run all the process which we have run manually. And now it says that size decreased successfully by 20 GB and we can confirm it through our web portal. So it is showing 60 GB. Now refresh this page. So here 39.12 GB means around 40 GB of storage. So we have decreased the size of our data node. And now if we want to increase the size, then here press 2 and we have to give the size to increase. And now I want to increase the size by 30 GB. So I press 30 and then press enter. So it increases our size successfully. And now let's confirm it by our web portal. So refresh this page and here we see that size of our data node is increases to 70 GB. So that is all about today's topic, that how we can integrate LVM with Hadoop cluster so that we provide elasticity to the data node storage. So this is how we can automate the whole process by using Python script. Rather than writing the codes manually again and again, we use Python script to automate these things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.